So you understand that no matter how good you are, how well you can write your proposal, how you can write your letter, or how well you are good at your job, no matter how good you are. One thing you must understand that if you don't have somebody inside that is talking about what you do, where the decisions are being made, you'll probably be wasting your time. That is why you see people that are not as good as you, that are not as talented as you, but they are making headways than you. It's simple. There's somebody inside that is, doing their bidding. There is somebody that is helping them push their project. That is why if you must succeed in this day and age, you must find ways to get the attention of people. And how do you do that? By looking for an inside job. An inside job. Look for someone that can help you promote your product, that can help you speak good about your product. That is why you see people using influencer to boost their product, using influencer to boost their project, using influencer to boost their image. Is called the inside job. Somebody inside is speaking for you. Now, if you go and meet an influencer, what you're just basically doing is telling the influencer to be the inside person to help you promote your business, your product, your talent to his audience. It's an inside job. It's not something you go online and go and tell an influencer, hey, help me retweet, help me do that. That is bullshit. That is a waste of time. No, it's not actually a waste of time, but it's like going through the longer path to stardom. So if you want success very fast, look for an insider, look for an inside job by leveraging influencers, by leveraging community leaders, by leveraging affiliates, by leveraging people of influence. Go and meet them behind closed doors. Tell them about what you do and pitch to them first. They will be the one that will help you communicate with places where decisions are being made. Don't waste your time. See, not be only talent though. Product is good, but what really matters is how you distribute your product to the direct consumers, to the audience. These are the people that actually determine whether your product is good or not. So it's an inside job. Find the insider.